Hello friends, our today's topic is about the two books we will discuss about written by the Dr. Hahnemann. First one is the Reine Agene, the German name of the book. This one is the Reine Agene, the other name of the Materia Medica Pura. This book was written in Latin language. So this book was at the starting in the first edition. This book was having 6 volumes. That was published from 1811 to 1821. So they were published in parts. Like first part published in 1811, second one 16, 17, 18, 19 and 21, and it was having total 61 number of medicines. Sometimes the question is asked about the first volume contains 12 number of medicines, 8, 12, 11 and 10. So in this way there were the total 61 number of medicines. In second edition, if we talk about the second edition, again it was having number of volumes were 6. It was published from 1822 to 27 and published from 1822, 24, 25, 26, 27, and the total number of medicines were in this 64. Then came the third edition. In this third edition, the books were jotted down, and there were only 2 volumes which were published from 1830 and 1833. So in these 2 volumes, in the first volume, the medicines number of medicines were from aconite to ledum, and this was 37. And in the second volume, it was from the ledum to verbascum. So these were the rest of the medicines. So in this way there were total 67 medicines in the book. 30 medicines in the second volume, so total were 67. Total number of the medicines were 67. So firstly, this Materia Medica Pura was translated by Hempel into English in 1846. But Hempel has few of the drawbacks in the book. He has not followed the Hahnemannian criteria in the book, so it was deficient one. The new translated edition for Materia Medica Pura is by R.E. Dudgeon and annotations by R. Hughes. Quinn also translated the Materia Medica Pura. So in this way, this was all about the Materia Medica Pura, the book. And next, now we will discuss about the theory of chronic diseases. Theory of chronic diseases. As we all know that Hahnemann took 12 years to reach the result about the development of the theory of chronic diseases. So firstly it appeared in 1828. Hahnemann reached in 1828 for the chronic diseases. In the first edition, which was published from 1828 to 30, there were 4 volumes. First 3 volumes contain 22 drugs about the pathogenesis of drugs, and the 4th volume contains the philosophy. Now the second edition came in 1835 to 39. There were 5 volumes and the 48 medicines. Out of these 48, the 25 medicines were from the first edition. So this was all about the theory of chronic disease.